What happens if I lose my way with a compass and a map I made, looking for my shadow in the dark? What happens if I look for you with a compass and my tennis shoes and find you holding someone else's heart? I'm sleeping on your bedroom floor.
잘해. 아이 예뻐. 맛있어 알로? 얘는 이미 교육을 받아서